Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the My Creative Scrapbook main kit for February 2025. Now My Creative Scrapbook has several kits available, and then in the main kit this month it is full of simple stories and Echo Park. I can't wait to show you everything that's included. So here is a look at the February 2025 main kit, and you'll see here the main collection includes Simple Stories Heartstrings collection, and then we've also got some Echo Park Valentine's Day. So I'm going to set the ephemera packs to the side, and we're going to start with this. You receive a stamp set. There's a stamp that says Make Today Awesome, Shine Bright, Dream Big, Be Yourself, and Remember to Sparkle. Love this, and hello there. So I'm super excited to use that. We also received some Sticko alphabet stickers in the color black. And then we have the Simple Stories Love stencil. This is so cute. I'm excited to use that as well. And then in the kit every month, there's always a pre-cut cut file. And this one says, I love you so much. Now let's take a look at the stickers. So we received 2 sticker sheets. This one is the Simple Stories Heartstrings. There's lots of word titles on here, cute little images, cutie pie, happy heart day, love always, happy together, so many more. Then we have the Echo Park Valentine's Day, little typewriter that says, you are the one my soul longs for, happy Valentine's Day, hugs, kisses, and Valentine wishes. There's little bicycles and florals and banners. Oh, I just love this. And then both sticker sheets have this little border strip at the bottom, which I really like using those. We've got a cut apart sheet. You're the best thing that ever happened to me. Love letters, pretty. All I need is your love. You mean the world to me. I love you. Super cute. And then on the back, we have hearts in various colors. Then this is another Echo Park Valentine's Day. This is called the Lover Floral page. So you can see we had florals on one side and a heart grid on the other in pink. This sheet is from Echo Park Valentine's Day, and you can see the little bicycles and florals and hearts. Super cute. And then on the back, we have some red hearts. This page is from the Echo Park Valentine's Day collection, and we've got polka dots on one side, and then on the other side, we have lots of florals. I think this one might be my favorite. Now we start into the Simple Stories Heartstring collection. And this one has banners, and on the back side is beautiful pink plaid. Then we have another heartstrings paper with the florals on one side. And then on the other side, we've got a red polka dot. We've got more of the heartstrings, Simple Stories, with the black and white hearts on one side. And then on the other side, we've got pink, polka dots with orange and a teal and red. Now we have a cut apart sheet. Love, 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 love you. Little cassette that says love songs, adore, some tags, and then we've got florals on the other side. Another cut apart sheet. Looks like we have 3x4s and 4x6s. Happy heart, you are cute, wink, wink, hey cutie, love you bunches, XOXO. And then on the other side of this heartstrings paper, we've got florals. And then we've got some hearts in all the different coordinating colors, and then a plaid on the back in that orange color. Now let's start looking at some of the ephemera pieces, and I want to bring in this box. I believe it's 5x7, and this is how I'm going to store all of my little bits and pieces of ephemera until I get ready to use them. And so I will just flip through here pretty quickly just to give you a good idea. This one says love you, love story. We've got some florals, hugs and kisses. There's lots of little bits that keep falling out here. We've got a little package, some rings, a newspaper. Hey Cutie, love. We've got a little bubblegum machine with hearts in it. I love the bicycle. I'm crazy about bicycles. Love banner. And then there's another really pretty banner. I like that. We've got a heart. Here's some heart sunglasses. We've got some more florals. This one, look at this cute little truck. Special delivery. XOXO. We've got a heart with some florals, some balloons. Best friend. Here's another little cassette that says love songs. We've got a chocolate bar and a little clipboard. Next, I'm going to open up the other ephemera pack. These are all from the Simple Stories Heartstring collection. And this is the Sentiment collection here. So we've got Follow Your Heart. So we've got lots of wordy bits. Love, XOXO. We've got And Kisses. To You. You Are the Best. Big Hugs. Here's a cute little envelope with a heart on it. Smile Big. We've got Happy. And Heart. Hello. Together. I really like that one. Here's a little banner that says Sweet. And we've got some more, lots of little wordy bits. Cutie. And we've got Hugs in the pink. And lots of cute little ephemera pieces. Smooch, you are cute. You make my heart smile. And we got Sweet, and there we go. So I want to show you this. Now this is called the Totally Tiffany Craft and Carry Workstation, and I have black and I have pink. But it's going to be perfect for me to get organized and really use my kit. So each month, this is how, when I do my unboxing, I'm going to store all my papers here and sticker sheet in a 12 by 12 envelope. I'm going to go ahead and drop that down in here. And I love that this has like this stadium style so I can see everything. So after I have my paper in here, I'm going to take my cut file and I'm going to go ahead and stick it in this little pocket. And then I've got my stencil. I'll stick the stencil right in here in the pocket. And then I've got my stickers. So I'll drop those in here too. I want to be able to see everything. I've got my stamp set, so I make sure to use that. And then my ephemera pieces will fit right in here too. I've also pulled out some photos that I think are going to work with this collection. So I'm going to go ahead and drop those in here. I think I'm going to use those. And then I've also pulled a few sheets of cardstock from my stash. And I think these colors are going to work well with the kit. So I am all set and ready to scrapbook. Oh, I also went ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put the sketch in the back here so I can be sure to use that. And that is it. So we are ready to go. So I will leave everything you need to know about My Creative Scrapbook linked down below in the description box. It is my favorite company. I love, love, love all the kits each month. And I know if you subscribe, you will too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.